Hi there, Kira here with a Embellished Tags process video. So I am part of a secret Cupid advent swap with a few of my pen pals. So my friend Jen organized this, and she got a few of us together to do an advent calendar swap for Valentine's Day. So we're each giving another person 14 days of goodies to open. So each of us got assigned someone. The person that we got does not know that we have them, and we are creating an advent calendar for them for the first 14 days of December. So and it's supposed to be like half store-bought stuff and then half like handmade stuff. So I'm making these embellished tags for my pen pal, and I am using my Wild Hair January kit. So if you haven't seen the unboxing for this, I'll link that down below. I requested a very pink, very girly Valentine's Day kit. So I got a couple of ephemera packs, and I got some stickers and then some 6x6 papers, and they work perfectly for all the embellishments that I am making here. So for all of these, I basically started with a base of a 3x4 piece of paper. You could easily use a Project Life card for this, since I know we all have a million of those in our stash. And then I kind of just like built it up from largest to smallest, so I would just layer up with more stuff. You'll see I start with kind of like some smaller stuff and then build below it, but the concept's all the same. It's largest on the bottom and then built up to the smaller on top. I did use a few things from my stash for this. So those tiny little white tags that you see right there, that's actually from my stash, and I just got those at Hobby Lobby. When they're on sale, I think they're like $1 for like a pack of 25, and they're just cute little adorable tags. So and I bumped up basically every layer that I put on here. I would bump up on some foam, so it gave it a lot of dimension. And these would just be for if you wanted to like close pin them to a gift box or a gift bag. They're just very layered tags, and I always get my gift wrap inspiration from Thurston Post, who is her name's Rebecca in real life, and she's on Instagram, but I'll link her Instagram below, because all of my gift wrap inspiration is definitely from her. So I'm just going to pop some foam up on this, and this is a piece of ephemera from the Pebbles ephemera pack that I got, and I don't care that I'm really like covering up a lot of the picture. It's not really a huge concern to me that a lot of it gets covered up, because I think that enough of it shows that it still looks really cute. So there I just cut another piece of my 6x6 paper into a 3x4 card, and I'll grab this tag from the Main Squeeze ephemera pack. That's kind of the good thing about like Valentine's Day collections, is because they're mostly pinks and reds, and both of these collections that I'm using have little pops of aqua as well, so they go really well together. So you don't really have to worry too much about like coordinating collections, because most Valentine's Day collections go really well together. So that tag that I just covered up, it had like the alphabet, but then it had like I heart you was in red, and I covered that up completely because I didn't really care too much that it was covered up. I just wanted the tag part of it. And then that baker's twine that I'm using, it's just pink baker's twine, and that was also included in my Wild Hair kit this month. So this one is the only one that I don't use a 3x4 cut piece of paper for. So this little llama card was included in the Main Squeeze ephemera pack. And I don't know about you guys, but I just feel like ephemera is getting gigantic, especially crepe paper. I love crepe paper. They are one of my favorite paper companies, but their ephemera packs are getting out of control gigantic. Like I have the what's it called, their new Good Vibes collection, I have that, and some of the pieces are so large, they're like bigger than any picture that I have. So it's going to be a challenge to use some of those. But anyways, so I just used that as my base for this one. And I'm going to cover up the words because I don't really care too much that the words are not showing. But I don't want them, if I'm going to cover up a part of the words, I'm going to end up covering all the words. So I just wanted to make sure that it was all completely covered there. Again, I used one of those little tags from my stash, and then that little like gold, like tinsel-y thread that I put in the tag, that was just laying on my desk. I got that on a package from my pen pal Becky, so I just stuck that through the tag, and I thought it looked really cute. And then I put some bunched up thread underneath this piece of ephemera, just to give it a little bit more texture, and stapled on one of those cute little heart stickers. So now I'm just kind of looking through, seeing what else I can do. I'm going to cut down this piece of paper to 3x4 again, and this will be my base for my last tag. And then these cut apart sheets that are included in the 6x6 papers, these are actually perfect layering pieces because they're smaller than what you would find in a regular paper pad. So I cut down one of those, grabbed a tag from the Main Squeeze collection. The heart is from the Pebbles collection. And then again, I don't care that I'm covering up the words on the heart, but if I'm going to be covering up the words, I want to cover up all the words. So when I put that little piece of ephemera on top of there, or that cut apart piece, there was a little part of the word that was still showing, so I just put a little heart over the edge, and that just covered it up completely. Then I'm just going to bump all of this stuff up on foam so it's nice and dimensional. And once I get all of this adhered down, those will be my 4 embellished tags that I include in my Valentine's Day Advent swap. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll have some pictures of each of the tags up close here at the end, and I will see you soon for another layout process video. Have a good day. Bye.